Windigo Catering is solely owned by the Windigo First Nations of Bearskin Lake, Cat Lake, North Caribou Lake, Satchco Lake, and Slate Falls. Here at Musselwhite, Windigo Catering provides food service needs to our crews at the mine, as well as housekeeping and light maintenance. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Warren, account manager here with Windigo Catering at Musselwhite. I've been here for 16 years at the mine site. I started as executive chef and now I'm account manager here. Why don't you come along with me and we'll go and check out what a chef does in a day-to-day routine here at the mine. As a chef, you work under the direction of the kitchen manager. The chef is responsible for leading the food service team in preparation and food service. For an overview, a chef at the mine is in charge of preparing and overseeing food production. They are responsible for ensuring everything is correctly prepared in a timely manner for each meal each day. Hi, I'd like to introduce Marcel Boucher, our chef here with Windigo.
Hi Chris, how are you doing?
Hi Marcel, how's it going? How'd you get into cooking?
I would say back in the late 80s, I worked in the restaurant and was cooking there and I really enjoyed it and wanted to take it a bit further.
Great. And how did you go down that road and what does it take to become a chef and work your way up?
Well, I applied for a course at Red River College. It was called Commercial Cooking at the time. And I had to take a 10-month course prior to that to prepare me for that course. And so I took both courses and here I am now.
Great. And what's so attractive about cooking, let's say here on the mine site, and what compared to a hotel kitchen or a restaurant kitchen?
I would say cooking here is a lot less stressful than working in a restaurant in a hotel and here you work 2 weeks in and you get 2 weeks off, so you spend a lot of time with your family.
Great.
And the menu here is pre-planned, so we know what I'm walking into.
Right. In the kitchen, the chef is looked up to as a leader of the team, meaning they must lead by example. Each day, the chef will create a preparation list to use as a guide for what needs to be completed during that shift. Throughout the day, the chef monitors coolers and freezers, food supplies, progress of the items. They advise when stock needs to be replenished and are responsible for ensuring that all leftovers are used wherever possible. An important aspect of the role is making sure that your team are adhering to safe food handling guides and keeping a sanitary workstation. Overall, the chef is expected to set an example for the kitchen team, provide support wherever needed, and ensure that food and equipment that the team needs are available. Thanks a lot for coming. For more information on trades, visit skillsontario.com.